All right, so now we're talking lipids and saponifiable waxes. Okay, so with our waxes, we have an ester group. This is going to make them hydrolyzable, which means we can cleave that ester bond. So waxes are going to be a combo of our fatty acids and an alcohol. So just like we saw before with esters, only this time, the thing that is going to make them unique is that large set of chains, right? Large carbon chains. All right, so when we are creating an ester, we take a carboxylic acid, again with a very large R group, react that with an alcohol, again with a very large R group. As we talked about before, when we're talking esterification, this is done under acidic conditions and heat. This is going to give us our ester. And again, we've seen this before. Right, here's our ester right here. And we have a piece that comes from the acid, or the fatty acid in this case, and a piece that comes from the alcohol. Now, what makes these waxes really super cool, they are incredibly hydrophobic. So this is what allows for feathers to repel water. Birds, their feathers do contain wax. And this actually becomes a huge problem in an oil spill, right? Those poor birds, their feathers get completely covered in oil, and we have to take that oil off. And the easiest way, or the most effective way to get that off, actually is with dish soap. If you've seen the commercials, the Dawn commercials where they're washing the ducks. That's literally what they do, but the problem is when they do that, they actually strip the waxes off of there as well. So it does take a while for those birds to build up that wax back again. We see this in wool. That's the lanolin that's in wool that helps to repel water. And we also see this in leaves. So super, super cool stuff.